The Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India, established a new set of IITs in 2008, which would promote India's technological development through thought and action. Preparing the needed technical human resources to meet the technological challenges of the country is a core value of the institution that is featured today. Welcome to College Suggest, and in this video, we take a look at IIT Jodhpur. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications about your favorite colleges, college comparisons, courses, careers, and much more. As always, we only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2019 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. The Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur, was established in 2008 as IIT Rajasthan and later renamed as IIT Jodhpur. It was established with a mission to create a vibrant technological university that incubates and promotes learning, research, innovation, and invention. Now, let's take a look at how the institution has performed in the different parameters set by the NIRF. IIT Jodhpur puts up a score of 67.68% in teaching, learning, and resources. The research and professional practices have scored 23.45%, while the graduation outcome has a score of 57.02%. Outreach and inclusivity has a score of 63.26%, while perception from the public has a score of 6.86%. Comprising of all these, IIT Jodhpur has an overall NIRF score of 45.75%. IIT Jodhpur's NIRF score is gradually improving when compared to the previous years. It has acquired the 50th rank this year. IIT Jodhpur is located in Karwar, Jodhpur. The nearest railway station is the Jodhpur Junction, which is about 29 kilometers away. The nearest airport is the Jodhpur Airport. However, the airport with international connectivity is the Jaipur International Airport, which is 354 kilometers away. The massive state-of-the-art residential campus of IIT Jodhpur is spread across 852 acres. The campus of IIT Jodhpur is well guarded and equipped with all the basic amenities, including Wi-Fi, recreational rooms, and a computer center. The library, being the learning hub of the institution, supports the teaching and research activities through its wide range of resources. The institution has over 13,000 books, theses, journals, and a large collection of magazines. Notably, the library stands as the tallest structure in the campus, keeping time for the entire campus with its four-way clock at the clock tower. The institution provides separate accommodation facilities for boys and girls. Each hostel is equipped with elevators and 24/7 high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity. The hostels have a gymnasium, a games room, a TV room, a music room, and a reading room. The dining halls cater to the students with separate vegetarian and non-vegetarian kitchens and dining areas, along with a generic food court. IIT Jodhpur has a dedicated physical training instructor and national-level coaches for each sport. Inter-college and intra-college sports competitions are often conducted to encourage sportsmanship. The institution has facilities for cricket, football, basketball, volleyball, tennis, badminton, and so on. IIT Jodhpur admits students into UG and PG programs through the JEE Advanced and GATE scores respectively. Being one of the prominent institutions, the students are expected to have a really solid score to get a seat here. The institute offers 4 UG and 9 PG programs. IIT Jodhpur has an approved intake of 180 UG and 120 PG seats. The total number of students pursuing their engineering degrees is 808, out of which 87.5% are boys and 12.5% are girls. The institution has 195 students from Rajasthan, 612 students from other parts of the country, and 1 student from abroad. Also, there are 150 full-time and 14 part-time students pursuing their PhD. And in the last year, 16 full-time and 3 part-time students graduated with a doctorate. IIT Jodhpur maintains good graduation outcomes in both UG and PG programs. Though the UG graduation has slightly dropped when compared to past years, it has leveled out at 91.53%. Among these graduates, 6.72% chose to study further. The PG graduations have shown a good rise across the years. 84.31% of the students graduated and 23.25% of them decided to go for higher studies. Unlike graduations, the placements appear to lag behind. UG placements have shown an improvement across the years. 79 students were placed with a placement percentage of 71.17%. The placed students were offered a median salary package of 9.25 lakhs per annum. While PG placements have shown improvement, only 12 students were placed with a placement percentage of 36.36%. The placed students were offered a median salary package of 5.7 lakhs per annum. Some of the companies who hire students from IIT Jodhpur include Amazon, Microsoft, Mahindra, Samsung, TCS, Indian Oil, L&T, Volvo, Snapdeal and many others. IIT Jodhpur has one of the finest crew of faculty members. There are a total of 67 faculty members and all of them hold a doctorate. Furthermore, the institution offers a faculty to student ratio of 1:12. IIT Jodhpur has established a number of research labs and facilities which aid in elevating the students' academic performances and preparing them for the inquisitive world of science. The number of patents published has reduced from the past years to 2, and no patents have been granted recently. With various research projects, the institute has received 3 crores as sponsored research funds and over 45 lakhs as consultancy project funds. IIT Jodhpur has spent over 12 crores as annual capital expenditure, in which 76.78% was spent on the creation of capital assets. Over 40 crores was spent as operational expenditure, a huge part of which was spent on salaries for the staff. IGNIS is the annual cultural festival of IIT Jodhpur, which provides a platform for some of the country's best hidden talents. IGNIS has witnessed the absorbing performance of various artists, thus bringing thousands of students together in celebration. Along with the cultural events, the institution also regularly organizes numerous workshops for the students on various topics of engineering. Considering all the facts and the performance of the institution, it is clear that the institution's faculty resource is one of the finest. Following that, the institution's graduation percentage looks promising and has shown improvement when compared to previous years. However, the placements need improvement since IITs are known for their extraordinary placement stats. Being one of the newer institutions, IIT Jodhpur has actively involved itself in various research projects. And as days go by, we could expect the institution to get even stronger in their research and development avenues. IITs are the hallmark of quality education and is attributed largely to the ambience of quality academics. IIT Jodhpur takes every effort to live up to this brand image with focus on producing world-class, technology-driven graduates to contribute towards the development of the nation. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.